What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see now, the car is basically done. It is not in its perfect state as this is just the base paint that I'm going to be putting on it. But I don't believe that my camera is doing the car any justice, as I tried with the lighting as much as I can, but just the whole effects. But anyways, it's done. I'll be doing some outside cinematics with it soon. But yeah, it's finished. The front is hand painted. Don't ask me why, but I just really wanted this to be done. So basically a lot of improvisation, but it's still looking good. As I said, it's base paint because I will be finishing it up with the actual Tamiya paint, or I could say PS paint, which is a black paint. But for now, this is what it is. Brings the idea alive. And for me so far, I think it looks good. It came out not too bad. It does give the wide body effect, and I was trying to make the slicks more on the inside instead of the outside, so I think I managed to get around, maybe we could say 80%, 85% on the inside, and less of the tire on the outside. So yeah, this is what it is. For these tires, guys, I must say that to really get them fitted, it is a task, because these are Formula 1 tires, which are from God knows what. I don't even know what they come from. But here, as I'll show you guys, this is the type of modification that I have to make to it by cutting out. It can be plastic, hard plastic, or it can be like thin aluminum sheets, and then make a smaller hex to fit the 12mm. Because on the Tamiya they come with 12mm hexes to fit the wheels, and then these come with, I think it's 14. So I have to now small it down, or I could say get the inner side small, so the insides are small, that I can fit it onto 12mm. So it actually works. For this set, it did work out a bit better because this one was my first, and then this is the second one. So I kind of learned from this one. But if you're gonna get these tires, you have to make sure that one, you shave it down, because they come a little bit bulged. So you have to shave it down and then add these. But for this one, I went all the way further in, nipped out these sections right here, the spokes, and then got the hubs to fit a little bit deeper. That is why I can have more tire on the inside now than on the outside. If you watch my previous videos, they show when I have these previous tires on the car without this wide body conversion, that the tires were out so much. So that was the aim now, to do this setup and get more of the tires inside, which will be giving us better aerodynamics and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I'm going to be giving it a few test pulls soon. So like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel, welcome, and stay tuned. As I said before, a lot more content will be coming. I did put back my original parts into the car, which are the motor, the battery, but a different ESC. But stay tuned, we'll be talking more about that. But so far it came out pretty good, not complaining. It could be a little bit better, but it's there, we're getting there. So stay tuned, guys.